Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer absolutely for free. So for downloading that, first press on window key and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. So now here inside the Microsoft Store on the search bar, search here for Adobe Creative Cloud. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud is showing. So now click on it. So as I have already installed this is showing as open, but in your case, first you have to install this. So let me click on open. So here you can see this is the home screen of the Adobe Creative Cloud. But as I have already logged in into this is showing as this screen. But when you first download this, first you have to create your account into Adobe Creative Cloud. So after logging in, here you can see Acrobat Web is showing. Now click on it. So just wait till this is launching the Adobe Acrobat Pro absolutely for free. So here you can see it is loading. So now here you can see Acrobat Pro is available for us absolutely for free at no charges. You can start editing your Microsoft file right in Acrobat Online with Office for the web. So this is how you can download or can say use Adobe Acrobat absolutely for free on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.